Good afternoon. I'm Richard Swan from Picote Solutions. I think most people will know me. I'm down at our training centre in Sandhurst in the UK. And what I'm going to do is, we've just taken delivery of our new family edition. It's what we call the Midi Cleaner. And the first thing you'll notice is, like our small mini cleaner, it has a black frame and a coloured drum. It has a 10mm shaft, which is 3/8 of an inch, 23 metres working length, or 75 foot. We have a control box similar to the Super Midi and the Maxi Millers. And the machine is designed and been developed to clean pipes. We call it the cleaner, and it will clean pipes from DN50, which is 2 inch, all the way up to DN150, which is 6 inch. We've got a range of tools for it. So what I've got here is, for doing the DN50 pipes, the 2 inch pipes, we have what we call a 50mm 2 inch cleaning chain. And what I'm going to do is we've got here some 50mm pipe, and we've got one 45-degree bend, another 45-degree bend, two 90-degree bends, a long straight, and then a 90-degree bend, and then a vertical pipe. So the first thing to remember is release the emergency stop, put it in forward mode, turn the speed right down to 500 RPM, the slowest speed setting, right? Everybody thinks that when you're going around bends, you need to increase the speed. So we always say, no, when we've got bends and small diameter pipe work, we go in at the slowest speed, okay? Once we've got through the pipe work and we've cut through the blockage, then on the way back, as you're pulling it out, you can increase the speed. So we've got the cleaning chain on. That's it, it is working. So I'm just pushing it down. And then there we go, now it's come out. So I'm happy I've cut through the blockage. Now I'm going to speed it up to about 1,000. Okay, and now we're ready to come back through. So, we can do 2 inch pipe, 50mm, you can do with the mini miller, but with the mini miller, you only get 16 metres of working length, whereas with the Midi Cleaner, you get 23 metres working length, plus you can put an extra 10 metre extension on there. So that's the first one. What I'm going to do now is put it back into neutral. We're going to take the cleaning chain off. Put that down there. And then I'm going to fit a 100mm cyclone chain on. Make sure that's tightened up. So what we've got here is a 100mm 4-inch cyclone chain. It's the PVC version, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in to a 100mm 4-inch PVC pipe. So I'm just making sure, because it'd be really embarrassing if this came off on live. So let me just talk through what we're going to do first. So what we've got here, a 100mm 4-inch pipe. We get a lot of these in the UK. We've got a gully or a gully pot, which we have to go around. Now, normally around about here, you have a lid on the gully pot, a grate. Okay, so normally when you turn up and it's blocked somewhere down this end, they take the lid off, right, and then the jetting hose, the standard jetting hose, won't go through here at all. So they normally switch over to the mini hose, and then what they do is they put the hand inside and flick the mini hose around the tight bend. Now this is a really cheap goodie pot we've got, so it's got a really sharp bend in the bottom, so even harder. And what I've also done is we've put on a vertical pipe, so I cannot put my hand all the way down and flip the tool and the shaft around the bend. Okay, all I can do is generally persuade it to go round. And again, we've got, put it into forward mode. And then and that is how easy it is. Once you've got through that bend, then if need be, you can turn the speed up and then clean back the screw. Clean back. Okay? So again, so simple. It allows us, we can do it because we've got the 10mm shaft, right? I can tell you now, we spent ages, hours, trying to get the Super Midi, which has the 12mm shaft, but it's got the thinner outer casing, so it's got the 1/2 inch, but the thinner outer casing, through this run of pipe work, and we can't do it, okay? But the 10mm 3/8 of an inch Midi Cleaner is great for this type of work, okay? Plus you get the rigidity in there, so you can cut out tree roots, fats, oil and grease, okay? And then if you use a 10 to 12mm adapter, you can actually safely use a DM100 twister as well. So we can actually use the machine for doing reinstatements, okay? Like I said, it's very versatile, 2-inch 50mm all the way up to 4 and 6 inch, up to 6 inch. It's got 23 meters, 75-foot working shaft, so it's got that extra 3 meters than you get on the 12mm 1/2 inch Super Midi. It's also about 4.5 kilograms lighter than the Super Midi, so it's easier to move around. And if you need to, you can add a 10-meter shaft extension onto it as well. Anybody got any questions? Okay, well, thanks very much for watching. And I said, if you need any more information on the Midi Cleaner, which has a 10mm 3/8 inch shaft, please contact your local reseller, or if you want to ask any more technical questions, then you'll know where to find me at Picote Solutions. Thank you.